Hi guys, welcome to my channel Movies and Facts. Today in this video we are going to tell you about Demolition Man 1993 cast then and now in 2024. So guys, let's start it. Number 1. Sandra Bullock in 1993, age 28. Sandra Bullock in 2024, age 59. Number 2. Wesley Snipes in 1993, age 30. Wesley Snipes in 2024, age 61. Number 3. Denis Leary in 1993, age 35. Denis Leary in 2024, age 66. Number 4. Benjamin Bratt in 1993, age 29. Benjamin Bratt in 2024, age 60. Number 5. Glenn Shadix in 1993, age 41. Glenn Shadix died on 7 September 2010, age 58. Number 6. Nigel Hawthorne in 1993, age 64. Nigel Hawthorne died on 26 December 2001, age 72. Number 7. Mark Coulson in 1993, age 33. Mark Coulson in 2024, age 64. Number 8. Bob Gunton in 1993, age 47. Bob Gunton in 2024, age 78. Number 9. Rob Schneider in 1993, age 29. Rob Schneider in 2024, age 60. Number 10. Lara Harris in 1993, age 30. Lara Harris in 2024, age 61. Number 11. Steve Kahan in 1993, age 54. Steve Kahan in 2024, age 85. Number 12. Andre Gregory in 1993, age 58. Andre Gregory in 2024, age 89. Number 13. Bill Cobbs in 1993, age 58. Bill Cobbs in 2024, age 89. Number 14. Jesse Ventura in 1993, age 41. Jesse Ventura in 2024, age 72. Number 15. Troy Evans in 1993, age 44. Troy Evans in 2024, age 75. Number 16. Paul Perry in 1993, age 39. Paul Perry in 2024, age 70. Number 17. John Enos III in 1993, age 30. John Enos III in 2024, age 61. Number 18. Pat Skipper in 1993, age 34. Pat Skipper in 2024, age 65. Number 19. Sylvester Stallone in 1993, age 46. Sylvester Stallone in 2024, age 77. Number 20. Grandel Bush in 1993, age 37. Grandel Bush in 2024, age 68. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.